Hello and welcome to week one. In week one, the first thing that you'll do is complete your reading assignments for the week. You'll notice that I took a screenshot so that you'll know where in our textbook to find the reading for this week. But the titles of those sections are Argument and Critical Thinking, Argument and College Writing, and Finding Topics. And there's a few subsections. I'd like you to read all of the sections and then go ahead and review Prezi number one. Next, you're going to move on to the review section. You'll notice that you'll have an assignment or an assignment explanation here about the MLA screenshot. This gives you an example, but ultimately what you're going to do is take a screenshot of something you've found as far as a citation in MLA format 8th edition. So in this case, the screenshot is of an article in a web magazine. So again, you'll just take the screenshot of that and then in your own words, explain what exactly is happening in the citation. For example, author's last name, first name, followed by the title of the article, followed by the website, etc. And then you will include where you found this particular source. So as you can see at the end of this example was found on the Purdue OWL website. So you'll want to include those parts, screenshot, explanation in your own words, and location of the source. Next, you have a few things. Actually, in the textbook, you'll notice when you're in the Finding Topics section, there are a few different resources that help you think of topics for your research paper. For this class, you will choose that topic now, and it will sustain you over the next 8 weeks. So all of your assignments will pertain to that particular topic. So I want you to choose carefully. We also have this resource. It's 301 Prompts for Argumentative Writing. And I believe it was published by the New York Times. But you can peruse through these. There's subtopics and specific questions. But again, I want you to think carefully because this is a research paper that's going to ask you to find scholarly resources. So do you think that there has been research, meaning a study or a meta-analysis of many studies done on this topic? So you really want to think carefully. What I always suggest is that if you're not sure if studies have been done, put your topic into Google Scholar and see what comes up, because oftentimes that will let you know if it's going to be easy to find articles on your topic or more difficult. The final section that you'll complete for the week, and this will be the same every week, is the due section. This is where your assignments are. Now, as I mentioned in the welcome video, most of the weeks I open the assignments on the first day of the week on Monday, and they close on Sunday at 11:55. So this week, all of the assignments are going to close at 11:55 on Sunday. So you have a whole week to do them, but you're going to want to pace yourself. The first thing you'll do is the discussion forum. The discussion forum, you'll create an Animoto video, and that will it's a free platform. You'll set up a username and a password, but it allows you to make about a 30-second video for free unless they've increased that time limit, which is fine. I've given you an example of a short video about me, so that should get you into being able to upload that link, share it with your classmates, and then you'll reply. So the first time you post your video, you'll just click reply and put a little sentence and the link to your video, and then you need to reply to at least 2 other classmates. And again, all of this is due on Sunday at 11:55. Your next assignment is the topic journal. And like I said, I want you to be careful in your choice for the topic that's going to sustain you this entire semester. You have questions that you'll answer about the topic. Questions that you have about the topic, your reason for choosing the topic, and 3 fill-in-the-blank sentences about your topic. And then I gave you a sample below. So you'll want to complete that again by Sunday, and then that gives me an opportunity to give you some feedback on your topic and also to double check that you'll be able to find research on it. And then finally, you're going to go ahead and post that MLA screenshot with the comments along with it and the location of the the screenshot, the location of the source of that screenshot. So those are your assignments for this week. If you have any questions, always feel free to ask.